Let us consider this question where we have to find out which is greater, half of 3 by 4 or 2 by 3 of 5 by 6. Now, half of 3 by 4, as I have discussed earlier, means we have to multiply half with 3 by 4. So, if I multiply half with 3 by 4, that means 1 by 2 into 3 by 4, then 1 multiplied by 3 will give me 3 and 2 multiplied by 4 will give me 8. So, I can say half of 3 by 4 is 3 by 8, because the of implies that we are multiplying the two fractions. What is the meaning of 2 by 3 of 5 by 6? Again, of means we are multiplying 2 by 3 with 5 by 6. So, when I multiply 2 by 3 with 5 by 6, 2 into 5 becomes 10 and 3 into 6 becomes 18. So, the equivalent fraction of 2 by 3 into 5 by 6 is 10 by 18. However, this is not in the lowest form. Lowest form means we will have to find out some common term by which we can cancel 10 and 18, and we know that 10 and 18 there is a common factor, and that common factor is 2. So, we are going to cancel 10 and 18 with 2. So, we can write this as 2 5s are 10 and 2 goes 9 times in 18. So, I can say that 10 by 18 is the same as 5 by 9 in the lowest form. So, now the question says which is greater, half of 3 by 4, we have found out that value as 3 by 8, or 2 by 3 of 5 by 6, that value we have found out as 5 by 9. Now, our task is to find out is 3 by 8 greater or 5 by 9 is greater. For that, we are going to look at these two fractions, 3 by 8 and 5 by 9. We look at the denominators of the two fractions. The denominators are 8 and 9 respectively. We are going to take the LCM of 8 and 9. LCM of 8 and 9 is 72. So, 8 goes how many times in 72? That has to be seen. 8 goes 9 times. So, 9 is to be multiplied with the numerator there. 9 into 3 we get 27. So, this fraction is the same as 27 by 72. And look at the second part. The second part is 5 by 9. The denominator is 9. 9 goes how many times in 72? That has to be seen. 9 goes 8 times in 72. 8 into 5 is 40. So, on one side we are having a value 27 by 72, and the other side we are having a value 40 by 72. Now, denominators are same. So, we just have to look at the numerators. Wherever the numerator is greater, that fraction will be greater. So, we know that 40 is bigger than 27. So, I can say that 40 by 72 is greater than 27 by 72, which implies that 5 by 9 is greater than 3 by 8. And what was this 5 by 9? 5 by 9 was 2 by 3 of 5 by 6, and 3 by 8 was half of 3 by 4. Now, the question is asking us which is greater, half of 3 by 4 or 2 by 3 of 5 by 6. Since we have proved that 5 by 9 is greater, we can say that 2 by 3 of 5 by 6 is greater than half of 3 by 4.